Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to enable auto lock in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly, click on Start. Here type Edit Power Plan, then open it. Now here guys, click on Power Options. Here select first option, choose what the power button do. Now select Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now select Lock. Show in account picture menu. So select lock, then click on save changes. Now close it and restart. So this way guys, you can enable and turn on auto lock in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and this method work for you or not.